Canada's Food Guide (CFG) shifted from the 2007 Rainbow model to the 2019 plate. This video explains what changed, why it changed, and how diet quality is measured with the Canadian Healthy Eating Index and the Healthy Eating Food Index 2019 HEFI 2019. Together, policy and measurement clarify what healthy eating means for Canadians and how adherence is evaluated in research and practice. The 2007 Guide * Eating Well with Canada's Food Guide * organized foods into 4 groups: vegetables and fruit, grain products, milk and alternatives, meat and alternatives, with serving targets by age and sex. Examples: standardized 1 serving, for example 125 milliliters juices fruit, 1 slice bread for grains, 250 milliliters milk. The intent was to translate nutrient requirements into practical patterns to support health. 3 themes dominated critiques. First, perceived agri-food industry influence and insufficient discouragement of highly processed foods and fruit juice. Second, complexity. Serving arithmetic could eclipse food quality in daily decisions. Third, framing. Refined grains and fruit juice sometimes appeared too neutral in the 4-group structure amid rising chronic disease. A 2016 Senate report urged an evidence-based overhaul and independence from industry. Health Canada replaced serving math with a simple plate: half vegetables and fruits, 1/4 whole grain foods, 1/4 protein foods. Milk and meat are subsumed within protein foods, with advice to choose plant-based options more often. Water is the drink of choice. The guide promotes limiting highly processed foods and includes behavioral messages: be mindful, cook more, enjoy food, and eat with others. Process changes emphasize transparency and separation from industry. The plate model improves usability. Quality cues: vegetables, whole grains, plant-based proteins, water are prominent, and highly processed foods are explicitly limited. By de-emphasizing refined grains and fruit juice and clarifying beverage guidance, the 2019 guide answers ambiguity attributed to 2007. The independence of the revision further addresses concerns about influence. Indices translate reported intakes into comparable adherence scores for surveillance, intervention, evaluation, and research. In Canada, CHEI reflects the 2007 framework. HEFI 2019 reflects the 2019 guidance. Score choice should match the policy paradigm under study. CHEI allocates points to adequacy: vegetables and fruit, whole fruit, dark green divided by orange vegetables, grain products, whole grains, milk divided by alternatives, meat divided by alternatives, unsaturated fats, and moderation saturated fat. Sodium, other foods, for a total of 100. Higher scores indicate closer alignment with the 2007 serving-based guidance. HEFI 2019 totals: 80 points across 10 components that emphasize the plate's quality signals: vegetables and fruits, whole grain foods, whole grain divided by total grain ratio, protein foods, plant-based protein foods, beverages, unsaturated divided by saturated fat ratio, saturated fats, free sugars, and sodium. Several components are ratios, capturing quality rather than simple amounts. Use HEFI 2007 framework. Use HEFI 2007 framework. Use HEFI 2019 for current surveillance and intervention evaluation aligned with the 2019 guide. Using the wrong index can distort inferences. For example, a plant-forward, water-first diet may score modestly on CHEI but well on HEFI 2019. Adherence depends on affordability and availability of fresh produce and whole grains. Cultural foodways require tailored examples, and the behavioral messages "cook more, eat together" require time, skills, and support that are not equally distributed. Complementary policies, affordability, procurement, education are therefore essential. 12019 shifts from serving counts to a simple, quality-focused plate with behavior guidance. 2. It addresses 2007 critiques by emphasizing plant-based proteins, water, and limits on highly processed foods, with a more transparent process. 3. Measurement must match policy. CHEI for 2007 aligned work, HEFI 2019 for 2019 aligned evaluation. Canada's Food Guide has modernized public guidance and the tools used to evaluate it. Pairing the 2019 plate and behavioral advice with HEFI 2019 helps educators, clinicians, and policymakers promote and measure healthy eating in Canadian contexts. Independent processes, clear messages, and equity-minded implementation give the best chance of improving diet quality and health outcomes.